Here's how you're going to make a hot, cheesy pastrami sandwich on a crusty yet soft Italian loaf. Trust me, you can make this at home. Here's a list of ingredients you're going to need for this delicious sandwich. Feel free to pause the video or click on the link below for the full recipe. Step 1. Bake your Italian loaf for 11 minutes. After it's done heating, leave it in the oven to stay warm. Step 2. Slice your tomato to the desired slice thickness. Here, I went with some pretty thin slices, but slice them however you like. Step 3. Take your dill pickle relish, mustard, and mayonnaise and combine them thoroughly. Mix them together until they're well combined into a sandwich spread. I like this sauce because it combines 3 things I love in my sandwiches, all in one spread. Step 4. Take your Italian loaf out of the oven and split it into top and bottom halves. Then, you're going to dig out some of the bread. This is a common sandwich making technique that will let you fill the sandwich up with as much of your veggies, meat, and cheese as possible. And don't worry, none of that dug out bread is going to go to waste. More on that soon. Step 5. Generously spread on the sandwich spread we just made. Spread onto the bottom half of the sandwich. This is going to get those mayo, mustard, and dill pickle flavors onto the sandwich. Once you've done that, lay on your slices of tomato, followed by your spring mix. You could leave the veggies out entirely, but I think they make for a great way to balance out the flavors of this sandwich, enhancing it to another level. Eat your veggies, and meat, and bread, and cheese. Step 6. Layer on your hot pastrami. Check the recipe below on how to heat up your meat. Step 7. Top your meat with your cheese slices, then place that under your oven's broiler until the cheese is well melted. Bonus step. Eat that bread you dug out earlier. You've earned it. Step 8. Remove your sandwich from the oven and carefully fold the top of the sandwich over the bottom. Then slice your sandwich into 2 halves. You did it! You've made yourself a delicious sandwich that you're going to love. It couldn't be any easier, and it is oh so satisfying. YFP out. If you loved this recipe, please check out the recipes and the thumbnails right here in the video. Also, please give me a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when my latest videos are released.